From the Kolkata studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Welcome. The Prime Minister just addressed the nation. It was a short address. In all, it lasted about 15 to 20 minutes. I'd just like to begin this evening by recapping what the Prime Minister said. Essentially, the Prime Minister has laid out a realistic picture. And the Prime Minister has spoken in great detail. He has not tried to soften the message. In fact, there could not have been a more direct call to action than what the Prime Minister said today. The Prime Minister said, "Dawai bhi aur kadai bhi," which means we need medicines, but we also need discipline. He said that should be the mantra as we ensure that there is dhairya, which is patience, and anushasan, which means discipline in this period. I think if I were to ask to recap this, what the Prime Minister has done is that he has made a touching and yet a very, very direct call to remain patient, to remain disciplined, and to remain alert. More than that, the Prime Minister actually came from a place of empathy. He was very empathetic when he said, "Jo peeda aapne sahi hai," the pain that you have been through, jo peeda aap seh rahe hain, the pain that you are going through, mujhe uska ehsaas hai. And he said that he is together in this period of sacrifice, pain, and loss like a family member. But most importantly, viewers, the Prime Minister is not playing down the problem. The Prime Minister said, "Chunauti badi hai." The challenge before us is very big, but we need to beat it together. We need to come together. Viewers, I also observed that the Prime Minister spoke with gratitude, and you may have seen this as well. The Prime Minister came from a place of gratitude when he said, doctors, medical staff, paramedical staff, Safai Karamcharis, ambulance drivers, police forces and others, they put their own life on the line and are saving the nation. The golden word, and I think we should keep repeating it to ourselves, and the Prime Minister repeated it more than once, is dhairya. That we can win only and only if we truly have patience. It's important to recap what the Prime Minister said, viewers, this Tuesday evening, because there are two ways we can approach this. We can be cynical, we can amplify a sense of helplessness and hopelessness, or we can do our bit. The Prime Minister is asking all of us to do our bit, and we should more than reciprocate. The Prime Minister has called for collective action. In a way, therefore, he has passed on a lot of the responsibility to each one of you, to me, to you, to all of us. He says Anushasan or Dhairya for the people of the country is the reason why we have staved off the disease so far. And he has said that a collective action by all Indians is the only way to beat the storm of the second wave, and urged people to come forward to help, even if it is in the form of, he gave the example of small committees in society, if nothing more. So he's truly spoken of every drop adding to the ocean of efforts that we need to put. On the medicine production front, the Prime Minister said, in comparison to January and February, multifold production of medicines is increasing and has increased further. He said, I have spoken to all the key persons in the pharma sector to ensure all methods used to ramp up production. The Prime Minister also said vaccination is increasing rapidly. He spoke of how 2 made in India vaccines, and he said how the private sector ने innovation और बेहतरीन तरीके से enterprise दिखाया है. He spoke of how the private sector had shown innovation and enterprise, and he also elaborated how India was the fastest to go from 10 crore to 11 crore and now 12 crore vaccine doses. It was just before the Prime Minister began speaking. I had said a little bit to all of you, and I want to repeat what I said in case you missed it then. The biggest contagion, viewers, right now is negativity. And I want to ask you, what are you doing to stop those people who are only peddling paranoia on social media? Very often, out of a sense of looking the other way, maybe because you feel it's not important enough or it doesn't affect us directly, we let these cynics be. This is the time to take them on. Secondly, if you support the efforts of the Modi government, you are a responsible citizen. You are not a bhakt. And therefore, it is important that constant criticism of any solution by the Modi government as a reflex action at this point of time is short-term political thinking. Thirdly, viewers, please understand there are a lot of people who are feeding off a sense of insecurity. Fourthly, there are people who want to put India down. Yesterday on my program, I spoke of the need for a vaccine for cynics. Some people thought it was a joke. It's actually not. As I said at 8:30 today, we need an antidote to all those people who want to paralyze our vaccination drive. If we are tough on ourselves with a growing sense of discipline, and if at the same time we do everything possible to contribute to the vaccination drive, then in a month from now, if not earlier, we will be in a very good place. Stay strong, India. We are winning this. There are trolls out there who want you to believe that the road ahead is insurmountable. Tonight, I want to tell each one of you, it is not. We are moving one gigantic step every time. Viewers, I come to you with 2 big debates today. In the first debate, we'll have a political debate around the need to end cynicism, especially in the context of what the Prime Minister has said. And at 10 o'clock today, as I promised you yesterday, I come to you with a completely interactive program. This is a viewer edition of the debate where we say, stay strong, India. And we want you to come in with solutions. I have a fantastic panel, experts, prominent citizens. We'll all come together and talk about what we can do. Viewers, all this and more is coming up. And here are the headlines this Tuesday evening on the debate tonight. Prime Minister Narendra Modi leads the battle against COVID, says in a 15-minute address that we must save India from a lockdown. The Prime Minister also calls for people's participation to tide over the second surge of COVID. The Prime Minister appreciates Lord's frontline workers, said their determined efforts will help us win this battle this time. The second wave has hit us like a storm. The Prime Minister lists measures to win the battle. The Prime Minister also assures migrant workers to stay where they are. Says state governments must also assure them, assures no impact on livelihood. And the Prime Minister says the vaccine will strengthen young India's fight against the pandemic. And ladies and gentlemen, as I just told you, for me, one of the biggest takeaways of the Prime Minister's address to the nation was his open declaration that India will do everything to fight back and evade a lockdown. And if the Prime Minister has said so, now we have to take it upon ourselves that we evade it. In his 15 to 20-minute address, the Prime Minister saluted the frontline workers, but most importantly, asked for collective action and joint participation this time. This time, he has asked for a stronger participation from each of us. Let me run some excerpts, and then we will go into our first debate tonight.
साथियों, आज की स्थिति में हमें देश को लॉकडाउन से बचाना है। मैं राज्यों से भी अनुरोध करूंगा कि वो लॉकडाउन को अंतिम विकल्प के रूप में ही इस्तेमाल करें। लॉकडाउन से बचने की भरपूर कोशिश करनी है और माइक्रो कंटेनमेंट जोन पर ही ध्यान केंद्रित करना है। हम अपनी अर्थव्यवस्था की सेहत भी सुधारेंगे और देशवासियों की सेहत का भी ध्यान रखेंगे। साथियों, आज नवरात्रि का आखिरी दिन है। कल रामनवमी है और मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम श्री राम का हम सभी को यही संदेश है कि हम मर्यादाओं का पालन करें। कोरोना के इस संकट काल में कोरोना के बचने के जो भी उपाय है, कृपया करके उनका पालन 100% करिए। दवाई भी कड़ाई भी, इस मंत्र को कभी भी भूलना नहीं है। ये मंत्र जरूरी है, वैक्सीन के बाद भी जरूरी है। रमजान के पवित्र महीने का भी आज 7वां दिन है। रमजान हमें धैर्य, आत्मसंयम और अनुशासन की सीख देता है। कोरोना के खिलाफ जंग जीतने के लिए अनुशासन भी, उसकी भी उतनी ही जरूरत है। जब जरूरी हो तभी बाहर निकले। कोविड अनुशासन का पूरा पालन करें। मेरा आप सभी से यही आग्रह है। मैं आपको फिर ये भरोसा देता हूं, आपके इस साहस, धैर्य और अनुशासन के साथ जुड़कर आज जो परिस्थितियां हैं, उन्हें बदलने में देश कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ेगा।
And on the debate this evening, I have Sanju Verma, National Spokesperson of the BJP, M.R. Venkatesh, Savio Rodriguez, Ratan Sharda, Shantanu Gupta, Royden Roach, Mehes Khan, Khaliqur Rahman, and Anirban Banerjee. Let me only begin by saying that even cynics must understand that the country is watching them and observing them. And hence, while I do not want to overtly make them cautious about what they say, they must, if nothing else, be very conscious of the fact that any opportunism that they display will be met not by my stiff resistance, but by the stiff resistance of the people of India. I hope I have made myself abundantly clear. Have I made myself abundantly clear, MR?
Yes.
Would you like to say something to add to that? Because we are tired, are we not, of constant cynicism? We despise it, Emma.
Arnab, we can't, during a war of this magnitude, where the enemy strikes at will, we cannot afford to be cynical. We have to rise above petty politics. We have to rise above cynicism. We have to come together. And in this, politics, damn it, has no place. We cannot nitpick on what we do and what we don't do. We have to be together. We have to come together. We have to support every single political party in power, whether it is in the state or in the center. We don't have to distinguish only between the center and say only center is right and state is wrong, or state is right and center is wrong. No, if the center requires something, we give a helping hand to them. And if a state requires something, we give a helping hand to them. And in this process of differentiation, we cannot
where are the vaccines? Where is the medicine?
Sir,
where are the oxygen cylinders?
Why don't you do it? Why doesn't Mamta ji? If Mamta ji can get plaster, she can get.
You are
No,
contradicting.
no, that is
your
why
own
you started
statement made a few
it.
seconds
Because you
back.
wanted
Start
it.
the
You
blame
wanted
game.
the fragmentation
You start
from
the
me.
blame game
You wanted.
immediately.
No, no, no. Problem is
These
you.
smooth
No, no.
words,
Problem is.
empty words,
No, no.
false
We have no
promises
place
are
for
not going to
Covidians.
help.
No, no. We have no place for
It
Covidians.
doesn't
We have
matter
to
what
tell them
you
we have to
say.
follow.
Hardly
We
anybody
have to
cares.
follow
People like you, what
if
you
people
say.
can get plasters.
The Prime
we have
Minister
to get
promised
oxygen also. Why
Shamshans
is
in
the-
Uttar Pradesh, and there are
Why
Shamshans all
you
around.
talk about Bengal?
The
West
Prime
Bengal
Minister
को बारे में बात
promised
करो ना.
Shamshans in Uttar Pradesh
West Bengal.
2017. You remember, na? You don't have short-term
I don't
memory
remember
loss,
all those
Sudeep.
things because your West Bengal is turning into a graveyard. That is the problem. The
You
problem.
remember
I
nothing.
don't remember anything.
Uttar Pradesh
Yes,
has turned
because
into a Shamshan. A 24
अरे what about
hours
West Bengal? You
Shamshans
tell
are
me it is.
burning. It
अरे
is in
West
5
Bengal
meters
तो
state,
एकदम
Baba.
I want to.
Non-cooperation.
I want to.
Turn into a Shamshan.
No, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. MR, a minute, please. MR, a minute, please.
Empty false promises.
You know, I thank you very much, but I don't like that quarrelsome tone.
Arnab, this
1 minute, Anirban.
criticism will
On
not take
other occasions, it's okay.
Concrete action.
But
People are dying.
tonight, Shantanu, I think we must all say that we do not like that nitpicking tone. We do not like that quarrelsome tone.
Yeah.
We do not like that shallow tone anymore because we are conscious citizens. And I think, Shantanu, it is time to put our foot down.
Exactly. Arnab, exactly a year back, one of the five-star journalists of Delhi talked to a virologist and told us that 20 lakh people will be dead in India. 30 to 50 crore people will be corona patient. And we are today, as a country, as the earlier panelist said, state government, central government, all together, we are not even 2-3% of the number, which the five-star journalist of India was scaring us, right? We are one of the only developing country which has 2 vaccines. People say, oh, we cannot make ventilators. IIT Kanpur, 2 young boys made ventilators. We said, we cannot make masks. We don't have PPEs. As a country, we stood strong. That's why, per million death cases, we are not even, we are 88, 89th country, 130 deaths per million. I know those numbers are also bad. But again, compared to United States, to UK's, Germany's, all those engineering powerhouses, India has still stood strong. So again, just nitpicking here and there. Let's not even, I know the cases are highest in Maharashtra, Kerala, okay, I'm not even going with the politics of that. People saying, oh, Kumbh is doing it, this is doing it, election is doing it, but today is the time when let's stand strong with the Prime Minister, right?
No,
we have led it so far,
I think,
1 year, and that's why we are standing strong.
No, I think that is so important. And having said that, may I just add a couple of things tonight, viewers? I think some members of the opposition are very bothered today. And the reason they are bothered is because Royden Roach, and I do not want to be particularly insulting to you, don't take it the other way around. But today I find you also bothered and Anirban bothered because you find the Prime Minister comes in, addresses the nation, and he injects a message of positivity at the time of when you are spreading paranoia, trying to inject fatigue and a sense of doom.
Lies, that's all.
What was positive, Mr. Goswami?
And-
what was positive? No, I would like to know.
What was positive?
What was positive?
You're asking me a question, should I reply? Or do you want Sanju Verma to reply? 1 minute, just a minute, Royden. You asked me the question.
Let me tell you this.
You asked a question rhetorically or for me to reply?
Whenever he spoke, he only.
Do you want me to reply?
No.
Do
he
you
liked
want
the
me
nation
to
whenever he
reply to
spoke.
your question?
Even today, the entire shortage of medicines and oxygen, everything to every state is not distributed. There's huge shortage, huge crisis, and he's coming and giving us sweet talk on television.
Come in here, please.
And who's created the panic? Who's created?
Come on.
You can come in later.
Please.
Please listen. Others also need to speak. Okay. Whenever you come, you want to come in. Mr. Goswami, let me tell you one thing. The debate is open to people.
Let him complete, Sanju.
So
let him release himself of all this negativity and then I'll
have
come.
patience. Let this woman have patience. Let this woman have patience. Okay, let me tell you, let her have patience. We have seen the Prime Minister always lying to people, talking sweet talk to the people. The creation of even today, the situation of elections around, the Kumbh Mela, creating more panic, Yeah, they are being destroying the
panic?
nation. Today, a country where we need to talk about development,
This is
how to
ridiculous.
Royden, thank
protect
you.
the people.
Arnav,
You said that the
you
Prime
have
Minister
to
asked
ask
people to
this
go
man
out in
to
huge
stop.
numbers and vote.
I think he's had his
No, 1 minute. Royden, thank you.
Prime
Spewed
Minister,
enough
this is
venom.
what the Prime Minister talked
Royden,
about.
you are not
How to
basing what you're
protect
saying with any
these
substantial
great
facts. So
states.
please.
Are you
Royden, a
supporting
minute.
the states?
Royden,
No, I would like
Royden,
to ask
Royden.
you,
When you hear me,
the Prime
please stop.
Minister
Royden, you
supporting
must
the
stop.
states.
Royden, you
He's
must
not
stop.
supporting.
Royden,
Let us talk.
Royden,
Let us talk, Arnav.
Royden, just
Why
stop here for a
is it
minute,
hard?
please. Royden,
Hard
stop
to
here for
hear
a
the
minute,
truth?
please.
No.
Royden, I don't want to shout at you.
I am asking.
I don't want to shout at you. You have to
hear the
stop.
truth.
I am, okay. So
No,
if it's
I
hard
can
for
get up and leave the
if
debate.
it's not hard for you to hear the truth, if it's not hard for you to hear the truth, and Sanju, just be patient for a
The same
while.
thing I'm asking you.
1 minute, please, Royden.
Goswami, is it
Is it
hard
hard?
to hear the
If
truth?
it's not hard for you to hear the truth, then I'm going to read out some facts, and you will listen to me now, and then we can have an open debate. So, Royden, don't disturb me. Don't disturb. Not when I'm making a categorical point. The fact is, you want me to speak my mind? I am going to put an open challenge for all of you today. All of you civics. This cabal that is determined to push panic, fear, falsehoods, and insecurity. This cabal that never has a positive agenda. The nation is uniting, Royden, to fight against COVID. You are the mutant strain. You are the mutant strain that is determined to obfuscate this fight. So I'm going to throw a challenge to you. My first challenge is quit the panic peddling and ask those sitting on the single border, so-called farmers, Andolan GVs, to stop risking the lives of the people in the National Capital Region. Tell them to get out and go home. Last year, you did the same with Shaheen Bagh, right?
Absolutely.
Last year, you did the same, Sanju. Last year, they did the same with Shaheen Bagh. You said, we are going to sit here in Shaheen Bagh. People can die. We don't care.
Kumbh Mela.
Precisely.
What have you done with the Kumbh Mela? Tell me. Have you put a... No,
People have voluntarily moved out of the Kumbh Mela.
Have you
Or
given
not.
a statement?
Please
Is
ask
the-
this man
is the-
to hold
is the
his
Prime Minister
horses.
You're a
come out?
hypocrite.
No.
Because of the
It was the
government
duty of the
hiding
Prime
away in
Minister and the
hideouts.
Home Minister to come out.
You
and
cannot
talk
allow this
about
man
it.
to go on and
You're
on
running
and
away
on.
from the truth, Arnab. You're running away from the truth. Yeah, we can go
Nobody's
on and on.
running
Same thing,
away
you
from
can
the
go on
truth.
and on. We heard you a
Excuse me.
lot. Today people
Stop
are fed
living
up.
in your la la
No,
land.
today the people
Stop
are fed
living
up
in your
hearing
la la
you.
land. Nobody's
The
running
people
away
are
from
fed
the
up
truth.
listening to you. Okay?
People
We are
like you
tired,
come on
okay?
national television
The
with
truth
an
is what the
agenda,
truth.
but you
The
don't
truth
have
is
the
you people
audacity
lie.
to
You
listen to
people
a counter
have your
argument,
own state
something
in
that
your
does
favor.
not suit
You
your
have
vested
people
narrative.
who are
Arnav, I will
stealing
not
the
speak if he
vaccine from the
continues.
state
You
and
did not
giving
allow
other
me to speak
states.
when he was making a point.
1
Please
minute,
give me my
please. Now,
time.
Royden, you have had more than your say.
No,
Please
And
give
please
me my
let me
time.
tell you, Royden, please.
No,
Royden, now I'll have to discipline you.
I can talk.
I'll have to. I can also do kadai with
I'm going
you.
to hurt them badly. No.
Now I'm telling you one thing. You know, all you clubhouse
I
types,
speak today.
all you clubhouse journo types, all you are doing is the Prime Minister came and he swatted out the negativity brigade. You are stuck in the chain of your own pessimism.
The truth.
Your thoughts are virulent. How can you fight the virus? The virulence is inside you.
Correct.
Sanju Verma is on the debate now with Mahesh.
Arnav, may I?
Look at.
Please. Yes.
Yes, please.
Arnav, let me first make my point. I'll be quick. The most important thing is, we've all been told, since childhood that leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. And indeed, if that is the crux of leadership, then I think today Prime Minister Narendra Modi deserves unadulterated applause. As you very succinctly summed up the entire essence of his speech, there was no beating around the bush, there was no sensationalism. He completely took stock of the situation and of things as they stand today. He admitted that while things were under control during the first wave, the second wave has come like a tufan, like a storm. But what I liked most was the fact that he said 2-3 very important things. A, India still has one of the most affordable vaccines in the world. B, our vaccination rate globally is the highest at an average of more than 35 to 40 lakh people being vaccinated daily, far higher than the United States of America. We have vaccinated more than 12.7 crore people as of today. And most importantly, rather than this clubhouse brigade, this out-of-work journos, the Barkha
Very
Dutt
good.
and the Odd Men
Do
Shekhar
not-
Gupta
do not
kind of
balloon
people
the numbers.
who cannot think
Sanju,
beyond
do
their
not balloon
negativity.
the numbers.
Prime
Do not
Minister
balloon the
Narendra
numbers.
Modi today clearly
Sanju,
said,
do not
we
balloon the numbers
respect
here.
private enterprise, we respect our pharmaceutical sector, we respect innovation. Unlike people who keep maligning the Ambanis and the Adanis,
Sanju,
the fact of
please
the matter
quote
is
the vaccine
Prime Minister
diplomacy.
Modi's speech today
India being the
paid
largest
homage
pharma
to our
industry,
private
we have been
enterprise.
exporting the
And I
vaccine,
think
whereas
the most
people here are
important
falling
thing
short
is
of vaccines. People
we
here in
had
the
only
country are
two
falling short of
laboratories
vaccines, while
in
we have been
February
doing the vaccine
2020.
diplomacy.
Today we have
have
more
been
than
sending out our
2,000
vaccines.
laboratories
We've
for
been
testing
producing
of
the vaccine,
corona.
but we've been
In
exporting
February,
this vaccine
an
to the other countries
RT-PCR test,
where it's not
or even in
available
March
for the local citizens of
2020,
the country.
an RT-PCR
What are you
test
talking
was
about?
available at
What exactly are you
4,500
talking
rupees.
about?
Today, an RT-PCR test in
please
Gujarat
do
costs
not.
only
लोगों को गुमराह करना
700
बंद
rupees.
कर दो.
People keep talking
Stop
about the
putting a
Pfizer
false
vaccine.
hope on people's
Pfizer
face.
vaccine, a single
Stop.
dose
People like
costs
you,
$20.
people like you are
That is
just
close to
putting false hope on
1,500
people. Let
rupees.
people get
So if you
prepared
need
for the
2
reality.
doses, you need
Let
to shell
people
out
get
3,000
ready for
bucks.
the reality.
Whereas you need to shell out only 250 rupees if you're taking Covishield in a private hospital. In a government-sponsored COVID care center, it is for free. So please understand that the Modi government has gone out on a limb to ensure availability, accessibility and affordability. And while Prime Minister Modi has said that let's be united, and I believe being collective in our effort is the crux of how to deal with the problem, I will still say health is a state subject. Do not be shy of asking for accountability from an incompetent Uddhav Thackeray, from an incompetent Captain Amrinder Singh, the most highly overrated Chief Minister of India, from an incompetent Arvind Kejriwal, who can't go beyond his ad saying, "Maine lagwa li hai ji, mere babuji ne bhi lagwa li hai ji, aap bhi vaccine lagwa lijiye ji." Sorry, if you can spend 600 crores on advertisements in a year, why did you not spend that money on hospital beds and oxygen cylinders? When things go well, you pat yourself on the back on Twitter, you and Manish Sisodia. When things go awry, you rush to Amit Shah. But the fact is the Modi government has empathy and sympathy, as Arnab very rightly pointed out, and we will go all out to ensure that the people of Delhi, Maharashtra, etc., cutting across party lines are taken care of, because this is a pandemic that needs all of us to stay as one.
You know, people do campaigns of various kinds. Mehez, I would like to just put the next question to you, and viewers, when I put my next question to Mehez Khan, please do not disturb.
I would like
because
to-
I want to give her an opportunity at listening to my
first.
question and answering it. Mehez, do not panic. It's only a question, right? It's only a question. There are only two options to a question. You will be able to answer it, or you will not be able to answer it. My first question, Mehez, to you is, and Savio, please stand witness to my first question. Mehez Khan said that we are a failure in our vaccination drive. My question to her is, live on the program today, Mehez Khan will name one other country where in the open market, either now or post May 1st, a vaccine shot will be available at the equivalent of 250 rupees, which is around $3 per shot. Name the countries, please. Name the countries, please.
Back to the numbers. I think it's
Name
so
the countries,
important that we
please.
actually bring,
Name the
we
countries,
actually bring
please.
the numbers out.
I'm sorry, name the countries, please.
Can you please
Savio, she
highlight-
must name the
can you
countries.
Please,
Please
highlight-
name the countries.
I am coming to you. I am coming
Name
to
the
you.
countries,
You are
please.
How will she
exporting-
Name the countries,
You are
please.
To be
exporting-
countries.
Savio, she must name the countries where it's available at less than $3 per shot.
When you're done,
Name the countries, please.
When you're done,
No,
billing,
answer the
then
question,
reply back to
please.
Your question.
Arnav,
answer the question, please.
6%
She
of
What was my
the
question,
Because
please?
there are no
of this country
countries
are fully
that's going to
vaccinated,
make
and
the
that's
vaccine
the fact.
You're unable to answer,
at
please.
less than
The country
$3.
is going through
There
a
is no
serious
country in
crisis.
the world
The country is
for
going
May
through a
1st.
serious
You're not being able to answer, please.
for the Prime Minister to
at
get
less than
serious.
$3.
They're not running.
Why are you indulging in intellectual ventriloquism?
No?
थाली बजाकर
Name the countries,
बत्ती
please.
जलाकर 9 बजे
She couldn't hear me.
She doesn't have
She
an
heard me,
answer.
right?
Not an event management.
She couldn't answer.
Name the countries, man.
There she is.
I am not here to compare.
Name
Tries to
the
escape
countries,
now.
Mahesh.
But the wave,
It's
but
a
the
straightforward
way we
question.
are managing, the biggest part,
Savio, she
the
must
way
name
we
the
are
countries.
managing, You go, you launch a cricket match. You go and you launch
She
a cricket
won't name
match.
the countries, Mahesh, come
1.3
on.
lakh people sits in the
Name the
Modi Stadium.
countries.
Kumbh Mela.
Name
Kumbh
the
Mela.
countries, Mahesh.
You allow elections to run.
Name
Which
through.
country?
Full
Mahesh,
budget.
we know the
Modi
problem.
Shah goes around
What is
for
the
a municipal
solution?
election. In the
What is the solution,
in the history
Mahesh?
of the country,
Don't come here on
for
a program
municipal
and
elections
tell us
in
the problems.
Hyderabad,
Tell
you
us
have
the
union
solutions.
ministers. You
Tell
have
us the
union ministers to
solutions.
go and represent
Tell
over there.
us the
Where was
solutions.
COVID protocol?
Congress
Where
and the
was mask?
opposition
Where was
is
election
very
One minute.
good
Where
at
was the
making
Prime
noise
Minister?
about the
What's happening
problems.
with the Kumbh
But you
Mela?
ask them for
You
a
guys are gone
solution.
crazy.
They don't have
Prime
a
Minister
solution.
has to get
They are
serious about
only
the
cribbers.
situation.
They are
Before,
only whiners.
go
That
outside,
is
look at
exactly
what's
what the
happening.
I'm sorry, this is a-
and the opposition are. They don't
Yo,
have
she's
a solution.
There is no oxygen. There
They
is a
won't
state
have
of
a solution.
emergency in the country.
You know,
There's a state of
it's so
emergency in the
embarrassing
country.
tonight, and
Prime Minister
these are the occasions where we must pause. Mahesh, I suggest in your own interest you pause, because too many people are commenting on social media right now that you have been caught on the wrong
What
foot.
about the vaccine?
And to be caught on the wrong foot publicly must be severely embarrassing for you. But you must come better prepared when you come to Arnab Goswami's program.
Where is that? Why have
You must come better prepared.
Why
Can I make
there
a
is
point or
vaccine
no?
diplomacy and we
Name, I again ask you one last time.
Ask and
we
stop
are not coming here to
for a
compare. This is
minute.
a crisis situation. This is the crisis situation.
Can I make a point,
This is the crisis
Mahesh?
situation. You better get serious before you put this country
Or is it
down the
something that
crisis.
you're going to heckle with
We're
your
gonna go
rubbish?
Okay, Savio,
Trust me.
Savio, I take
Trust
you on the
me.
debate right
The Prime
now.
Minister is
I take
not
you on the
going to
debate
let
right now.
parliament
A
come
problem
here.
is a problem.
Diya
A problem tonight. Khaliqur Rahman is on the debate. Savio is
Can
on
this
the
lady
debate.
stop?
And well, she's
Can this
stopping
lady
because she's
stop?
realized that finally she's escaping my question. The only way for her to escape my question is to stop.
That's true.
She would not answer. Which are the three countries where it's available for $3 a shot or under in the market, open market? Tell me, Mahesh, one last chance. One last chance. Come on.
Exactly, an event management
You can do it.
propaganda rather than focusing
won't know
on
it,
what
Arnab.
the health
Again, unable to answer.
like in the country.
I've given you a
You're
live example,
focusing on
viewers.
nonsense and crap.
Madam, $3.
Nonsense and C dash dash dash. What are you talking about?
Pathetic.
Don't use that kind of language on my program,
No,
Mahesh.
Arnab.
Even if you are at the end of your arguments and you feel that you have nothing more to say, please don't use offensive language on my program. Please.
It's very valuable.
I asked you only.
That you're just fooling
know,
the
Arnab.
people of this country. Do not fool. It's costing them their life. You're asking
Mehez,
them for
I am
one
asking you
whole
merely to
guy
give me
running an
an
election.
example of a country which has made affordable vaccines affordable at lesser price to the open market. Anyway, I'm belaboring a point. Okay, so here's what. Okay, so Mehez, another question. No, 1 minute.
Can I make a
Savio,
point or no?
Mehez, can you take a break, please, for a while? Can you please wait for a while?
Can I?
Savio. So, see, Mehez, you're not
I'd
stopping.
like to make a point.
Savio, over to you,
Okay.
please. She couldn't answer the question.
I've had
Which
a
proves
cousin
my
brother.
point that it's easy to
who
comment and
lost
very
his-
difficult to deliver.
I have a cousin brother who lost his sister-in-law, his mother-in-law, and his brother-in-law in the last 7 days. I have a neighbor near our ancestral home who's lost her life. We have deaths happening all over.
you're not the only
And
one.
these jokers
Rajiv, you're not the
are
only
talking
one.
about a blame
Rajiv,
game.
you're not the only
It
one.
is a time
Do
for
not-
us
do not garner
to come
sympathy for
together
yourself.
Oh, come
as
on.
one nation
There's every
and
Indian
stop
who has
this
lost somebody from their
nonsense
family.
of a blame
Where
game.
is the vaccine?
People
Not
are
even a
suffering.
60-year-old is able to get
People
a vaccine.
are
They are standing in the
dying.
queue.
We need to
Where
come
is the
together
oxygen?
at a
Where is the
micro
healthcare
level
crisis?
to do our
You are
bit as
exhausting.
citizens
I,
of this
Prime Minister
country,
is
Viewers.
and not
exhausting this
as
country with
hooligans
resources.
who scream
Trust me,
like
we are
mad.
running in a
Can you
super
not
crisis
understand
emergency,
that people are
and that's
dying?
exactly what you're
Can
looking
you not
for.
understand
Savio,
that
you're
people
not
are
the only
suffering?
one. Look
And
at
you
the
are playing
news.
politics?
Look
You
at
can't,
the
you
are
body.
playing
Do
politics
you
around
understand?
it.
Do you
Don't you have any
understand?
shame,
Do you
Mahesh?
stop playing politics?
Don't you
Stop
have any
playing
shame?
politics over this.
There are people
you have been
dying.
running
Can
election
you not
campaign.
solve this
Unmasked.
problem at a
Going
micro
around
level?
Bengal, going
Well,
around
to
Assam.
solve this
Have some
problem
shame.
at a
Prime
micro
Minister
level.
Modi has
I-
been running
You
campaigns.
and
A
your
minute, please.
the jokers of Congress
Savio,
Avoiding the protocol.
Savio, if I may come in.
just whining.
If I may come in with my,
Whining.
if I may come in, Savio, if I may come in at a very important time for the nation, I want to I am trying to remain good-humored about this. Mehez, I heard you. I only wish the length and volume of your arguments was accompanied by their factual base or intellectual intensity. I'm extremely sorry, Mehez. I'm extremely sorry, Mehez, but that sounds very vacuous to me.
Can you tell this woman to shut up?
Now, please now. This argument is as solid as a 1 millimeter sheath of ice. You step on it, Mehez, you fall straight into the icy cold water. And my next point is this. Ratan Chadha, I shall come to you. Savio, yes. Shantanu, yes. I think we should support our Prime Minister. I'll give you one reason why, Khalik. You're a seasoned man, you can debate with Ratan Chadha. Damned if you do and damned if you don't. A person called N.D. Mukherjee. N.D. Mukherjee writes in Bloomberg, India's vaccine nationalism is a global risk. Now this commentary from another member of the commentariat came at a time when Covaxin was approved. I remember Ratan Chadha, and I think you can remind Khaliqur Rahman of this. When Covaxin was approved, they all came together to abuse it. They said, this is vaccine nationalism by India. They could not believe, Ratan Chadha, that we had done it. They questioned the clinical methods used, they questioned the testing, and everybody latched on to it. The same people today who want to line up to get Covaxin shots themselves. Will these people ever shut up, Ratan Chadha? Will they stop?
When ISRO was, sending rockets to the space, there were very degrading cartoons from the West because they didn't believe India can do it. And about the COVID, I'm very sorry that the politicians who tried to run down Covaxin basically played into the hands of multinational pharma companies. More people died of Pfizer vaccines than anybody in India. One of the best places where the vaccines are produced. And somebody talked about vaccine with short supply just 2 weeks back, just 2-3 weeks back. All the vaccines are going empty. The vaccines are being wasted. Nobody wanted to take a vaccine. And 3 Congress chief ministers, they said, we will not take Covaxin. If this is not playing into enemy game or into MNC drug lobby, what it is. And we have a case in Maharashtra where MCDVir was being procured with the help of BJP leaders from a distributor in Daman. What happened? This the great MVA government, whom we have faced many times, arrested the man because he was trying to help Maharashtra government. That is the standard. Do you know that the entire health segment is actually under the state governments? And you are blaming Modi? When Modi took action, they said, "Itni jaldi, why do you have to have lockup so early? People are moving on the roads." And now Mr. Arvind Kejriwal overnight claims that puts a lockdown and nobody talks about it. When Modi removes the lockup, why did he remove the lockout? When there are 70 countries who took advantage of vaccine exports, now we are crying why they took it. We talk of vaccine nationalism. And this talk of, when they say that there is nothing happened, these people could not control basic test, track and treat. There are labs in Bombay where you cannot get the tests done. You try getting a test done, they will say we are full, we cannot do it. They increase the delivery of reports for RT-PCR from 7 hours to 2 days. I was sitting in a hospital. The lady said government has told us not to release the report earlier. If we talked of costly, a friend of mine wanted to go to Mai for a funeral. Just a moment. For a funeral, she had to pay $500 for RT-PCR test, and report was to go in 48 hours. She could not come. And we laugh at our infrastructure. What do you do for oxygen manufacturing? Why do you dismantle entire infrastructure of hospitals created by you? Is the state government
nothing,
Does government control oxygen cylinders? No, sir. It is you control it. You failed. If Modi can energize people into beating thalis and doing Janta curfew, you try once. Nobody did it. Entire your partial lockdown failed. People are enjoying life on the roads who could not control you. Do you talk of Ramzan? I don't know to communalize, but don't keep on saying.
I want to read out I want to read out a few. No, I think it's also.
back.
No, it's also
people what they want.
it's also very important. It's also very important for the media to play its role. It's important for all sections to play its role. And
then Andhvin takes the credit when they can't control it. They got to cry back to Amit Shah and Modi ji.
no, I want to. You see, I'll tell you one thing. We've made mistakes, but some of these mistakes are deliberate, and I want to point the finger back. An article published in some place called The Print. I don't know what this particular place is. It's apparently a website of some type. It says COVID is an excuse to push Indian Muslims out of the informal sector jobs and apartheid is the next step. And somebody's published this.
Shame.
I know people have a right to their own opinion. And of course, within the bounds of journalism, you can say what you want. But this... And then I also want to say one more thing, Ratan Sharda and Khaliqur Rahman. You see, the agenda of the cynics is only to spread negativity, to demoralize India, to break our spirit, You know, Yogendra Yadav says COVID is an excuse to stop the protests at the Singhu border, which means even when in the National Capital Region, people are queuing up for hospital beds, this narrow-mindedness of people like Yogendra Yadav, he says the government is trying to use COVID as an excuse to quell the farmers' protests. He said they used the same trick last year. We will not let it happen. Well, Yogendra Yadav, why don't you go out in the streets and ask people what they think about this kind of a comment? Khaliqur Rahman.
Yeah.
There has to be a Lakshman Rekha to negativity.
Yeah. Can you allow me to speak?
Please.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to thank Arnav for this debate. And after having listened to our Prime Minister's address, I really, feel positive about it for the reason that because, this is a time that the states and the center have to stand together. And I'm really, proud to say that I come from the city of Hyderabad, which is, supposed to be the vaccine hub in the country. And I'm really proud that the Covaxin, comes from Hyderabad and the company, the Bharat Biotech. And, the kind of the vaccination drive that is happening in India, we have not seen that kind of vaccination drive anywhere in the world. So I think let us, rise above the political affiliation, but this is the time because we are actually passing through one of the worst pandemics. And this is, come as a storm, the second wave. And we actually, to tell you very honestly, I think no one really had predicted this kind of situation or this kind of scenario. But having said that, the kind of infrastructure what we have, we are actually doing, whether it's a central government or whether it's a state government. So it is, I think we don't need to, play the blame game, but we need to work in tandem with the, center and with all other states also. Because the first priority now is, as our Prime Minister said, we have to see to it that every person has to be vaccinated, and the way the vaccination drive is going on, we need to accelerate that. And I'm really happy that from 1st of May, the vaccination is going to be for all, that is, from the for the age of 18 plus.
Yes, colleague.
So I think let us be positive in the debate, so that there are lots of people are watching us. So let them get at least the positive message out of this debate. Let the antibodies be developed after watching this debate, not be negative. Actually, I mean that. So at least sometimes let us not be political in our debate. Let us talk at least from our heart, because we are first human beings.
Yes, colleague.
Dear friend,
yes, colleague.
Politics was brought in by Congress party, brought in by AAP. It was not brought in by BJP.
Let me get Shantanu in. I'm just coming back to you. 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 I'm coming back to you, Sanju. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm just coming back to you. Khalik, I'll tell you one thing. Shantanu, just one observation, maybe you want to add to it. I think there are some people pretending to be journalists. You just start a .com, and then what you want to do is, if they could, Shantanu, they would put a drone on top of the head of every migrant worker to get a top angle shot of a migrant worker walking to a police station. And they would call that journalism. Journalism, on the contrary, is when you put the appropriate facts to tell the migrant worker that there is no need for a knee-jerk reaction. But kind of vulturism that you want to create a situation and then report it is macabre. It's been never seen before. It's like someone who stabs another person and then says that I will also carry out a surgery. It's as opportunistic as that. And Shantanu, I want your comment on it because I know you're as angry as me about it. And then I'll go back to the political debate. Shantanu.
Arnab, I was on the YouTube channel debate of one of the 5-star journalists. A lot of these journalists are pushed to now to YouTube channels. And you know how the story started? They shown the grieving family of someone who lost their near ones to COVID. And the whole debate of 30 minutes, that was almost a six minute scene. I just objected. Will this instill any confidence in the people? I know a lot of people lost life throughout the world, but showing that ad nauseum for 7 minutes, people crying, what will you achieve? And the only reply and the Tavleen Singhs of the world were also part of it. They jumped on me. Oh my God, truth has to be shown. We know people are dying, but again, do we want to tell information that, okay, go and get vaccinated, mask up yourself and create a distance? Do you want to communicate that or just want to scare people? I know you may win one argument here in this debate and one argument there in this debate, but is this the time? Can your politics, can your journalism, can your TRPs wait at least for months? I was like totally lost that, okay, my God. And they also they're saying, okay, Congress this, BJP this, Kumbh this, Metro this, Delhi this. Oh my God. I'm sure they're just looking for it. And as the COVID rate rises, they feel happy. Oh my God, this is the way for us to catch up Modi. We will make sure we'll create enough guilt so that he cannot do campaign in West Bengal. He's almost winning West Bengal. Let's create guilt so that he will stop doing campaigning in West Bengal. So I'm saying they're totally in a
that is so true. That is so true. That is so true. Mehez is back. Mehez, listen, I have something to say to you. That is so true. You know, viewers, there are people, whether it's China, COVID, or a delayed monsoon,
at the rate of 1%,
they know it's one opportunity for them.
At the rate of 1%,
Mehez, you asked a question.
Where we are actually vaccinating our people, it will take about 11 years for us to vaccinate about.
Where have you got these hackneyed numbers from?
We've been the massive producers of the vaccines, AstraZeneca, BioNTech, and Sputnik. And we've been exporting this across the world despite of actually vaccinating our people. Go and look at the hospital reality.
Mehez, now you'll have to put the volume down, Gagan, so I can ask my question. She asked a little while earlier on the program, Mehez. Mehez, you asked a little while earlier on the program. Sanju, I'm coming to you, but I want to respond to what Mehez said. And unlike Mehez, I have my figures with me. She said, where are the vaccines? Well, 130 million doses just for supplies to the states yesterday. Where are the vaccines? A 10x increase in production. Where are the vaccines? A total number of 142.538 million doses have been received by states and union territories, of which only 126.990 million doses have been already administered. This figure includes wastage. And where are the vaccines? As per the reports, even before the replenishments came in yesterday, another 15.547 million remain with states and union territories. I hate to break this news to you, Mehez, because you're a very uninformed person, but we have exported and made demand suffice within. This may break your heart, but reality is not a chameleon. It comes in one color. And you have to hear me right now and apologize to the viewers for spreading paranoia. Sanju.
Yes. Arnab, I think, you have summed this up so brilliantly, but, given I am what I am, there's this whole cabal, be it an Andy Mukherjee in Bloomberg or be it these out-of-work journals who fancy themselves as influencers in the clubhouse chats, or for that matter, an overgrown adult like Atish Tashir. I'm reminded of the late Arun Jaitley. In 2018, Arun Jaitley made a fantastic remark when he took a pot shot at Rahul Gandhi for trivializing the level of public discourse. He said people who wish to be PM should not mix life, ignorance and acrobatics. And that is exactly what Rahul Gandhi and his cabal have been doing since electorally they are vanquished. I will tell you what the Modi government has done. 30 lakh crore announced as part of COVID Atmanirbhar package, accounting for 15% of India's GDP. Point number 2, out of the 43 crore Jan Dhan
Why do you
accounts,
speak
20
over
crore belong to women who've been getting 500 rupees every month. The Modi government fed 81 crore people during the lockdown for
This is
9
incredible.
months at a stretch every single month.
She doesn't stop.
Do you know what that means?
Viewers, but I have to
Every
stop.
month,
There is no vaccination. There are queues of death.
Because I have to stop.
The United States of
People, you
America
do not
And viewers-
want to show
being
that
given free
because you do not
ration
want to show
by
that.
Viewers, I will have to stop right now. I will have to stop right now because this channel has to take an advertising break and does not live on scraps, $500 receipts and payments made by rags in New York. Ladies and gentlemen, I have some great breaking news for you. The government is removing all customs duties from import of the injection Remdesivir and its raw materials. So the Modi government is going completely all out in this battle. I'll see you on the other side where I have an interesting section. I'm going to open up phone lines and speak to so many of you. Looking forward to that in a few minutes.